Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FuboTV step by step clearly. To activate FuboTV, begin by opening a web browser on your device. Visit the official FuboTV website. If you don't have an account, click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill in the required personal information to create your account. Next, choose a subscription plan that best suits your needs. Enter your payment details to finalize your subscription. Once your account is set up, log into FuboTV using your credentials. Now, navigate to the Settings or Account section of the platform. Look for the Activate Device option. You should see a unique activation code on your screen. Open a new tab in your web browser and go to fubo.tv/connect. Enter the activation code you noted down earlier. Click on the Submit button to proceed. A confirmation message will appear once the activation is successful. Return to your original device where FuboTV is open. You should now have full access to FuboTV content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and sports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.